Today's daily word is give. I give generously and know true abundance. Generosity places and keeps me in the ever-flowing stream of plenty. When I give with joy, I am affirming my place in an abundant universe. Giving aligns me with the divine idea of prosperity and allows me to be a channel through which the gifts of spirit flow freely. Fearful feelings and worrisome thoughts of insufficiency collect like sticks and leaves and block the free flow of abundance. When I notice through thoughts and feelings of lack, I shift my focus to the richness of life, nature's bounty, plenty of laughter, the love of my dear ones. As thoughts of scarcity fade, I give what I have to others, sharing a smile, kind words, or a listening ear. Once again, I join the flow of abundance. Each of you must give as you have made up your mind, not reluctantly or under compulsion, for God loves a cheerful giver. 2 Corinthians 9:7.